Welcome back, everybody. Love these kind of I've said this 3 times now. Love doing these shows, Journey into Higher Ed, because it's so important. And again, I love Michigan State so much, but higher education itself is getting kind of a bad rap at times. And it's like, you know what? There's good stories out there, and I like doing good stories. And so Anna Thomas is with us, and she's got a great story. And it's not just Michigan State, it's any institution of higher education. We want our kids to flourish. Did I say that loud enough? We want these kids to flourish. They need to just get out there and do the magic thing, the American way. Work, effort, grind. That's it. Learn. Anna, how do you want people to connect with you? You're up and coming public speaker and going to be a rock star. How do you want people to connect with you?
You guys can use my email, which is thom2269@msu.edu, or my Instagram, which is Anna Thomas with 3 S's 7. But if you're gonna message me, like put in the tagline from the video or the podcast or whatever, so I know where y'all are coming from.
Exactly. And I like the y'all too. I use y'all myself a little more now. I kind of like the term, the word. So yeah, there you go. I'll put all that in the recap, everybody. So don't worry about it. Just go to the website. It'll all be there. It'll be there. Okay. So now we're going to do the little funsy thing. We're going to do a couple of these. I have the GenZ dictionary in front of me, and it's kind of like a little game show. Call it Word Talk. Okay. So because, if you don't at least understand what our young people are saying, then you're going to be 100% clueless. We're always going to be probably 50% clueless. Let me just tell you that right now, everybody. Okay. We're always going to be, but that's okay. Cause I'm a parent and a grandparent. It's like, it's totally cool. Cause I know things that they don't know. So it's fine. It's all good. All right. I'm going to throw some of these. She has no idea what I'm going to say here. If you don't know, you don't know. I'll give you the definition. We'll move on to the next one. First one, just open up the book. Pop off. Pop off.
Pop off. People say that like, oh, pop off queen. It's like, I've heard it in a sense where like about clothing a lot, where it's like, oh, you're like looking good, or you're slaying. That's another Gen Z word.
Ding, 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 ding. There's a winner. Okay. The definition from the Gen Z dictionary, right? From the dictionary, pop off, which I had no idea. Exclamation, a compliment when someone looks good, does something impressive. You look so good in that outfit. Pop off, sis. I mean, she drilled it. That's 100% home run. Okay. How about this one? See, I liked it. This is just fun stuff. This is kind of cool. All right. Here's one. Savage. Now, savage has obviously been around forever, but in Gen Z lingo,
savage. I mean, people use it all the time. Like, I would say like rad. Like, that's so cool.
All right, so
savage.
Okay, so there you go with that's Anna's definition. This is what the book says. The book says someone who does not care about the consequences of their actions. You don't want to make Tony mad. He's a savage. I don't know. I kind of like your definition better. It's like when you gave me my choice plus challenge equals change, and you made it channel. That was a good one. All right, here's another one. Stick. Sick. If I could read. Sick.
Sick as in like that outfit's sick. Like it's kind of like cool.
That's exactly it. Boom, ding, 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 ding. Sick. Adjective. Cool. Congrats on getting a full ride. See, it was so easy. She was just like confused. It's like, what?
Yeah, it's like what?
Like, you don't know that? It has to be in a dictionary. What are you, clueless? Yeah. How about this one? This is a acronym.
Oh gosh.
Okay, sorry. Hey, want me to skip it? Okay, I'm going to give you this one, then we'll do one more, and then we'll go back to the interview with your journey in the hair. TBH. TBH.
Oh, to be honest.
Ah, dang. See, you were so That's exactly it. Prepositional phrase, acronym for to be honest. I would have had to look that one up, everybody, tell you the truth. I mean, it's so simple. A lot of times these acronyms, like if you think about them, they're simple as hell, but it's like they're so simple. It's like copying and pasting in Word. When I first learned how to do it, I was like, it can't be this easy. And it is. I mean, it can't be that simple. I hate everyone who likes sushi. TBH. Okay. To be honest. All right. One more. Trill. TRILL. You ever heard of that one?
Trill?
Yep.
No.
Okay. Finally, I got one on her. All right. Adjective, slang for true and real. Authentic. The lyrics to that song are trill.
That's
Seriously?
funny. I was
Huh?
almost 5 for 5, basically.
Yeah, you were. I mean, your batting average is Hall of Fame material for sure. There's no doubt. I mean, that's great. Okay.
That
So
was
that was
fun.
our word talk, everybody. And you find that whole clip that we put up on YouTube, and go have fun with that. And hey, if you got suggestions on this thing, between messages to my younger self, which we do, we like sharing these stories about this, and then word talk with our young people. Awesome. All right. So back to